Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. Today we have a guest from Amravati, Prashant, who is a very strong chess player. He started playing chess in 2012 and since then he has participated in many tournaments and all. So we are going to learn a lot of things with him and his games. So welcome Prashant on channel. So
Hi, Sukhpreet.
what do you want to say to the chess lovers?
I'm excited to play with you. And the thing I want to tell you that since college I got interest in chess. And let's see how our
Mhm.
match goes.
Okay, sure, definitely. So I'm straight away sending you the 3+2 challenge. Just check if you have received that.
Yeah,
And
I got it.
okay, so I'm going to mute myself on the Zoom and let's all the best.
Okay.
So guys, I'm with the white pieces. Okay, he started with the uh, E4 system. So this is the standard pretty opening which I am playing. Maybe he has prepared for it. So let's see. Okay, he did went for the advanced Caro-Kann, where I'm trying to pin this knight. If this comes up, I'm coming back. So this is pretty standard. Now I'm going to hit the c5 c5 square. I'm going to just push the pawn on the c5 just to ask what you want to do with this central pawn. There are many tactics with the Caro-Kann, so let's see. So he has started developing the pieces in the Caro-Kann. You know that it's mainly the delay in the development side. Now the idea is simply he can jump up knight here to hit my queen, but I can simply give the check from this place, and he has to push the pawn further and support the knight with the queen. So yeah, that's what happened in the game. And now what we can play. Now this is having additional support, so let's capture. Now just develop. Now I'm having mostly the chances of winning this pawn because this is spin. Otherwise, he has to lose the bishop here. I have to develop like this way. It's not into the. Can I simply capture? Mm, okay, I'm ahead on the time, so I need to think on the strategies now. The next move is this knight is going to be the away. This is spin at the moment. I need to develop this because I need my king to get castle. So let's develop the knight. There are likely chances to turn this way. I can come back here. Yeah, this I thought for a minute. I can go back, no problem if we start pushing further. But I think I should have captured. It's a blunder, guys. Or not. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, I did missed before some time, guys. Here, before developing this, I should have simply captured here. If queen captures, then it's capture and that will be the pin. But okay, let it be now. So it did not happen. Can I just straight read off with this bishop here? Okay, let's go and capture. Now I'm hitting this as well. If queen captures, I need to just hit here. Now my next idea is to come here and put some pressure here and here. Okay. I'm delaying on the casting side. Shall I play passive or just castles and then look for the attacks then? Okay, I'm down a minute, so I need to be careful now. Yes, I thought for this move. Let's castle first and save the king. All right. So the next idea is to for always a3 a4. Can I push it? Okay, let's go back here. Okay, I'm very much down on a time, guys. So now it is a very big blocker. If I go here, this is a blunder. Just keep some support. Okay. Okay, I did a mistake here. I could have captured, but I cannot capture. This is a pin. I just wanted to get rid of with this pawn. I'm very much low on a time. I may lose on a time. Okay, here also I had a chance, but I missed that. Let's see. I think this is going to be the draw or maybe losing from my side because I'm very much low on a time. I'm not getting any ideas why this knight may jump into some attacks uh, towards the king, but he just went back to just to go with the passive idea, and here just wanted to. Just need to first look for the back rank mates. Just saving myself now. I can just go back here and support the rook, no problem. Okay, I'm just going to block. Okay, it's very low on time, guys. I don't have much time to think. Okay, he did lose on the time. Let me just unmute myself. Yeah, Prashant.
Yeah.
It's a thriller game in the end. Both are very low on the time. and
Yeah.
no one is really good. But in the end, you given me some chance, and
Yeah.
your ideas, I understood that what you were planning, and it is showing me the five mistakes. Oh no.
Mhm.
Let's go with the straight away for the analysis and see what happens in the game where we did mistakes, and but you given me
Yeah.
in the end. I was just losing another. I'm just winning another piece, another pawn here, and it will be like some
Any.
chances of winning. Some chances of
Yeah.
winning if you made
Yes.
some
Yes.
more mistakes. Then so
Yeah. Yeah.
let's quickly do the analysis. So I already said you that I'm just going to play the Caro-Kann opening if I get a black chance, black side. So okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah. I can see this.
Okay, okay. So here, okay, it is showing me the blunder when I kept my queen on the b6 square. Yeah, this I already spotted that you are going to come here, and I'm going to give the
Yeah.
check here, and this will
Yeah.
be the pawn coming, captures the pawn. Here also there are one chance I did missed. I here I did had a chance to, I think, to, if you play something random move like this, then I have
Yeah.
a big chance of winning the material. First of all, you cannot play with this, but
Yeah.
if you play with that, that will be the losing one. And if you
Mhm.
capture here, I will capture here,
I had to take it
or or
by
simply
pawn.
or simply I can capture here and give you the, because this is a pin. So
Yeah.
this is
It's
the
been.
perfect example of pin, and this is absolute pin. So
Okay.
there are two types of pins, guys. The one is absolute pin, and another one I forgot. But the another one is you can move. Means the pin is, yeah. This is the example of another pin. So in this way, you can push your, you can away your knight, but you cannot. In the absolute pin, there is no chance to do anything. If here I
Yeah.
captured, so you cannot capture at any cost. So that is, there is a difference of pins. So
Okay.
let's go in the game what happened. So okay, here it is showing me the miss of win. What was the best move? It's giving me 3 plus. I don't know what is the best move it is showing for me. This is the mistake, I know, but what is the next move? Okay, okay, it is asking me to capture. If I capture, then the g takes on f3. G takes on f3 is showing, and then I put a g. Again it is showing its inaccuracy. Okay, let's go to capture here, then I will capture here, you will capture here, and eventually I'll come here, put, no, sorry, this cannot possible because you can simply
Mhm.
win that. So after this, it's showing me rook to c8. Okay, okay, so there are some attacks like that. So let's go to the game, what happened in the game, let's see. So here it was okay, it was showing to capture piece. Here I did capture. The main idea here is, if you
I
capture
know
with
it
the,
was pin. It was pin.
no, this time it is no
No,
pin. So if you can
previously
capture
it
with
was
this,
pin.
but
Yes.
there are some sorry, you cannot capture with the queen. First of
With the
all,
pawn.
with the
Yeah.
pawn only, that is the best move. So here I was just thought, yeah, I thought for this move, queen to b4. The idea is to hit your pawns, two pawns at the time, and you cannot
Yes.
defend both. If you come here, you cannot come both. If you come here, then this is not going to happen. This is going to be the pawn loss only.
Right.
So
Right.
there were no chance, but in the end there was some insecurity that your king is in the center,
Mhm.
and you should have first save your king. So that's why I went for I went for the
Castling.
castling, and here also it is showing me the miss win. I don't understand why. Okay, again it is showing me the same move. This I spotted already, but as I said, okay. So here also I thought for the b4 move, but I thought you are going to come here again and sitting here. Knight is the best blockator here, and that's
Yeah.
why I thought just not to play here and first come back. And here there are always chances of opponents to put the rook here and pin my knight. So I thought for that as well, but before that I said just get rid of this knight and just start attacking from the A side, so from the rook end. So let's see here. I just thought, I wanted to move my queen first. At one point I was just planning to keep my queen here. But I said no, wait. That there is the that square is supported on the D7 is supported with the knight, and here also you given me chance. You thought that I'll capture something like this. So, but I did striking towards the A side and just captured. And oh, it is suggesting to capture here. I don't know why. Okay,
How?
let's go back. When I captured, suggesting to capture here. I don't know how the engine is suggesting that. Engines are not the human ones, so they can show us any best moves. But yeah, sometimes they are the best moves only. So okay, and here I did captured with the bishop. Here both are under attacks, so you are going to lose one pawn. And in the end, you tried for the back rank mate as well.
Yeah.
So this was that's why I just played the pawn here and thought, just to get rid of your rook first. And then here I don't understand why you played this move. You wanted to attack on my bishop here, right?
Yeah.
So I just wanted to come back, and here I have played this move. Yeah, okay, this is the, and here the idea is, I know that you are going to capture and this is going to happen, and there will be some tactics coming. So here also I did capture here and given up my knight, because you can capture, and you did capture here, and I'm going to capture this, and you are again coming here. This is not showing the correct move. Instead of this, it is suggesting you to first give me the check and ask to come here, and then
I could have taken your rook. Yeah.
No, but here also it is supported, so you cannot come here. This is again a blunder. So this will not possible, but there might be other moves. What it is showing now after the check comings, it is showing to go back to the B3 square and pinning this. So this will be like again an equal position. You can see bar is showing its equal position. But here in the end, it was like given up the pieces, and here the idea is now if you play anything, I am going to capture your pawn here. Let's suppose you given me the check, I'll come here. You cannot give me the check from here. So you need to be support of this bishop. So either you will come like this, and I'll simply capture here and hitting your. So this will be like again now. Winning position of two pawn ups. So this need to get rid of with the pieces, and eventually it will be getting a win.
But when timer finishes, our concentration loses.
Actually, if you see my time before some time, I was on 2 seconds or 3 seconds something. See here I was on 9 seconds. Before that, somewhere around I was very low on time. I think 9 seconds was there, and that time I was just cautious of the time, and I did play the fast moves, so I can gain some time and then think. Okay, so Prashant, you wanna say something before closing the video? I hope guys have learned something from our games. So yeah.
So it was a nice game actually, and like to play with you again.
Okay, yeah, let's play one more match after the finishing the recording. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.